Okay, traders, Patrick Head Trader, trading123.net. Here we have the play of the day on March 6, 2012 on Amazon here. This is a software that we use with the NinjaTrader platform, but is also available for the eSignal platform. We have our Trading123 volume analyzer here and our pivot indicator. Now basically the way the volume analyzer works is anything above the blue line, volume is above normal. And there's also audio alerts that you can set based on the volume size that will alert you that the volume is picking up. Because the price moves volume and volume moves price. And once you understand that, you'll be a step ahead of the other traders out there, because price action moves when volume comes in. And if you watch the volume, you'll see the price action move. So the second indicator we have here that we use, and it's highly accurate, is the Trading123 pivots. Now, like I said, it's available for NinjaTrader and eSignal. And basically what the pivots do is a mathematical formula that we've been using for approximately 10 years now that analyzes several days of data consisting of the highs and lows of whatever you're trading, and it computes it into a formula and plots the R1 through R5, the daily trend line, and the S1 through S5 on the charts for you right when the market opens, so you can see all the support and resistance zones for the day. Now this is a very important piece of software to own, because it's labeled right on the chart, right here, black. Daily trend line, long above, short below. You see here at the open, it tried to price action tried to get through the R3 here. It couldn't, so it was weak. And once it lost the black line, it broke down. And 90% of the time, when it loses the black line here, it'll go down and find support at the S3. If the S3 is unable to hold the price action, it'll go down to the S4 or S5 in weak markets. In strong markets, you'll get the price to break above the daily trend line. And then your first target is the resistance of the R3, which is the daily price breakout, and then the R4, and if the market is really strong, it'll get to the R5 by the end of the day. So sometimes you can have a breakout in the morning from the R3 to the R4, market goes sideways in the afternoon, then the last hour it breaks above the R4 and goes to the R5. So you can see the potential of profits trading in between each of the pivot zones. Long here, take some profits here, let it ride here. Short beneath the daily trend line, and your target is always the S3. So the pivots are very powerful, and on this day, Amazon came down to the S3, which is a major reversal area. So the market came down, found support, and we had a gap down, so it bounced off this area. If you didn't get long after this first green bar, you'd be long here at the black line of the daily trend line, because the volume is above normal, and volume moves price. So if the volume was really weak and low, like in here, it probably would have hit that black line and fell back down here to the S3. But the volume's strong, so you got to watch the volume when you're trading. It breaks off. In Houston, we have liftoff. First target, profits right here of the R3. If you went long here, 180.25, you're almost a point into profit. And then it just keeps going. And up we go for a nice trade in Amazon. So the average trader would have made all his money in this one major move right here and banked his profits and called it a day, and then come back the next day and do it again, because these patterns repeat each and every day, and once you learn them and understand how they work, you can profit off them each and every day. So that's a trade of the day on Amazon. Hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your trading. You want to learn more about the pivots, go to our website here. Go to our website, trading123.net. And you see here's the pivots, an example of a breakout, went up to the R5, another example, breakout of the R3, boom. You go here to NinjaTrader indicators and select the pivots, or you can go to eSignal and select the trading pivots. A very powerful program, and the software is awesome. Here the ES breaks down out of the S3, your target S4. And once you learn how to trade with this software, you'll be a step ahead. Now here we have a sell-off. It couldn't get through the daily trend line. It comes down here to the S3, and suddenly the break stop, boom. Price action just freezes right there because the pivot robots control the price action in the market. And you have a big volume surge here to the downside. And then you get a bounce. So you could have covered your short, went long here at the S3, and made another 30 to 40 cent profit. The pivots are very powerful, and it's the most accurate tool in trading. Here we have a breakdown. Like I said, if it can't get through here, this R3, it's going to go to the trend line here, get a bounce, and then that bounce fails, and boom, we sell off. So very powerful piece of software to use in your trading no matter what you trade. So hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your trading.